To our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to factory reset Anbernic RG35XX. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end. If you want to reset your Anbernic, then you will need to follow some steps. Here you will see, this is your Anbernic, and in the left side you will see the small button. This is the reset button. So we will need to press and hold the reset button, this small button in the left side, about few seconds. This is the first thing you need to try, is to press and hold this small button which is on the left side about few seconds. And the another thing you need to try is to press and hold the power button and this small button together about few seconds. So simply press and hold the power button and the small button about few seconds. After your Anbernic will be resetted and hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.